What do you got? What do you got in the van?
Ikea kitchen.
And?
2 kids.
Is that a kid?
Yeah.
Another kid?
Oh, stop! Stop!
Ikea kitchen? Ikea kitchen? Oh yeah. Yep, that's an Ikea kitchen. Let's see. Ellie, what's in there? Is there an Ikea kitchen in there?
Maybe. No.
No?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Maybe.
Ikea kitchen and an Ikea family. Do you think we could win some money from Ikea if we gave them this video?
Yes.
And Mazda, maybe. Mazda would give us some money too.
Mazda.
A Blackberry?
Yep. And
Blackberry?
Blackberry. See what we can do.
Blackberry too.
Ikea
We're going to pay for our
kitchen.
kitchen with sponsorship.
Ikea kitchen.
Ikea kitchen.
Here we go. Maybe we'll make it home.